Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to make money just posting photo in your mobile phone. Everything you need is your mobile phone. You don't need any computer, etc, etc. You just need your mobile phone. So what if I told you that you can start earning money posting photos? So come with me in this video. If you're new here, just subscribe to the channel so this way you don't lose more content like this. Without wasting your time, let's get into the video. The site we're gonna use to earn our money today is this one. I'll drop the link in the comments so you can access this site using the link that I'll drop in the comments. The interface of the site is this one. So as you can see right here, I have been earning some money. And I have good news. You can withdraw your money directly from PayPal. To start earning, you just need to open your Pinterest or Instagram or an app where you can download some images. So follow this process step by step. Let's go. Here I'm gonna choose this one photo right here, this picture of this woman. So I'll download this photo. Yes, click in download. If you don't have Pinterest, you can download in your App Store or Play Store. What you're gonna do now in YouTube Studio is just choose any video of your preference and copy the link. Everything you just need is just to copy the link. I choose this one and I'll copy the link right now. So you can see, follow step by step. Copy the link, already copied. In the next step, I need you to open back the site that I'll let you the link in the comment. Yes, this one site I introduced you in the start of video. So you're gonna pass the link, your YouTube link right here. And then click in this button in the right side to generate the link. Once they generate your link, you just click long press and copy the link. And once you copy the link, I want you to get back to Pinterest. In Pinterest, remember that photo we have downloaded. You're gonna use that photo to promote your link. So follow me step by step. Make sure you follow step by step because you're gonna promote the link and generate some clicks. This way you can earn your money. So I'm gonna choose the photo right here. Next step is to add information. No, add details. Right here, you're gonna add the title, write anything comes in your head, but gotta be something attractive, you know. Let me write, visit my website. I'm just typing an example right here. Visit my website for exclusive. You can add description too if you want. Find some emojis. Yeah, here is the most important part. Right here, you're gonna paste the link you generated. And so the next step is just edit this photo right here, clicking on the pencil, and you gotta write some text like visit my website, etc, etc. It depends on you. And once you finish all this process, you click it done, but in the top right corner, just click done and click here create. And they already promoted your link. It's just wait on clicks. You can repeat this process how many times you want for better results. This was today's video. I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video.